Okay, examples. For number 1, find the density and specific gravity of ethyl alcohol if 65.5 grams occupies 85 milliliter. Okay, we have the mass density, which is equal to mass over the volume. The mass is 65.5 grams over 85 milliliter. Okay, therefore this one is equal to 0.771 gram per ml. Or this one could be equal to 771 kilogram per cubic meter. We just convert your gram ml to kilogram per cubic meter. Then we have the specific gravity. Kasi di ba 1 gram is equivalent to 1,000, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram. Then we have the specific gravity, which is equal to density of the alcohol, density of the alcohol over density of water, mass density of water. Okay, we have 771 kilogram per cubic meter, and then the constant value for the density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Therefore, the specific gravity is equal to 0.771 gram. No unit. Unitless ang specific gravity. Kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, this one is the specific gravity. And this one is for the mass density of the ethyl alcohol. Okay, example number 2. Determine the volume of 200 grams of carbon tetrachloride for which the specific gravity is equal to 1.60. Okay, the requirement now is the volume of 200 gram of carbon tetrachloride, for which the specific gravity is 1.6. Okay, now we have the specific gravity. The formula for the specific gravity is equal to mass density of the carbon tetrachloride over the density of the water. Okay. We have the value of the specific gravity, which is 1.6. 1.6 is equal to the density of the carbon over the density of the water. We have the constant value for the density of the water. That is 1 gram per milliliter. Okay. Using this equation, we can say that the density of the carbon tetrachloride is equal to 1.6 times 1 gram per ml. Therefore, this one is also equal to 1.6 gram per ml. Then, using the formula density is equal to mass over the volume, therefore, we have volume is equal to mass over the density. We have the constant value for the mass, which is 200 grams. Okay, therefore, we have 200 grams over the density of the carbon tetrachloride, which is 1.6 gram per ml. Okay, cancel gram. Therefore, this one is equal to 125 ml. Therefore, the volume is equal to 125 ml. Okay, number 3. Sample number 3. Air has a density of 1.5 kilogram per cubic meter under standard conditions. What is the mass of air in a room with dimensions of 12 meter by 10 meter by 5 meter? Okay, now, we have the formula for the mass density, which is equal to mass over the volume. Since the requirement is to find for the mass, we're going to use mass is equal to mass density multiplied by the velocity. We have the mass is equal to, the density is the mass density is 1.5 per cubic meter. 1.5 kilogram per cubic meter times the velocity, given the velocity 12 meter by 10 meter by 5 meters. Okay. Therefore, the mass now is equal to times 1.5. Therefore, that is 900 kilogram. 900 kilogram.